Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use tags in Evernote step by step. Tags are a simple way to organize your notes and make them easier to find later. So let's get started. First, open Evernote and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, open any note where you want to add tags. Next, look for the Add Tag option near the bottom of the note. Click on it and type the name of your first tag. For this example, I'll use work. Press Enter to save the tag. Now let's add another tag. Click Add Tag again, type Important, and press Enter. You can add multiple tags to the same note depending on how you want to organize your information. Using tags is a great way to group related notes together. For example, you can create tags like work, school, personal, ideas, or projects. This makes it much easier to keep your notes organized. After adding your tags, they will appear on the note automatically. You can edit or remove them later whenever you want. And that's it. That's how you use tags in Evernote. It's a quick and effective way to organize your notes and improve your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.